Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I will be showing you how to make the 1910s Christmas treat, Candy Jim and his Hound. This rather disturbing looking treat is from the 1916 book Handicraft for Handy Girls, and comes from the chapter of holiday table decorations. Not sure it's what I'll be decorating with this holiday season, but I couldn't miss a chance to recreate this monstrosity. Despite being called Candy Jim, he is mostly composed of dried fruit with a marshmallow head. For this project, you will need some dried fruit, including raisins, a fig, and some dates or a prune, as well as some cloves, toothpicks, and a marshmallow. You are also supposed to have some currants, but I wasn't able to find any, and let's be honest, I already spent way too much money on supplies for this project, so I'm just using more raisins. To make Candy Jim, we're going to begin by poking a toothpick through his little fig body and securing a marshmallow head to the other end. Next, using bits of the cloves, give him 2 eyes, and then using pieces of the cloves, a smile and a nose. I couldn't get his nose to stick, and his smile isn't exactly a warm one, but we are just gonna have to accept him for who he is and move on. His arms and his legs are supposed to be made from currants with a raisin on the end. As I already mentioned, I couldn't get any currants, so I've just used raisins all the way along, and I've turned the raisin at the end of the foot to make it look more foot-like. It doesn't really make a whole lot of difference using raisins versus currants. It's fine. He's a little beefy, but that's okay. And that's it. Isn't he cute? So Candy Jim won't be lonely. Let's make him a canine companion. The hound's original body was supposed to be made from a prune, but as I already had some dates in the cupboard, I just went ahead and used those instead. He was also supposed to have a large raisin head, but I opted to use a smaller date as I thought it looked better in proportion when using the date body. To attach his raisin legs and ears, you will need to break up some toothpicks into smaller bits. This is a bit fiddly. I first tried putting the raisins in after I had already stuck the toothpicks on the body, but it did turn out to be easier to do this first, and then attach them to the body. Lastly, stick a clove in the end of the date body to give him a little tail. Whoops! I nearly forgot to add his ears. Just give me a second. And there we go. That's the hound done. He actually stands up a bit better than Candy Jim, who has a hard time balancing on his little toothpick legs. Ah, yes, doesn't that just fill you with the Christmas spirit? Just be thankful I didn't make the Christmas orange goblin. Maybe next year. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.